Hello Planner Buddies and welcome to another tutorial of the 2022 Blooming Life Planner. In this video I want to show you how you can use templates with the dynamic tab. So I already explained you everything about the dynamic tab on the top right corner in a separate video. You can see the link in the description. So I also told you that you have a template section here with different templates. You have 18 templates in general. So between lined, dots, and grid one, and then you have 3 different for each one with a smaller, with a wider lined or wider grid template, and also smaller here. So the specific thing about the 2022 Life Planner is that it has a dynamic tab, which I already told you in the in the previous video. So and now I ask the question: what can you do to, or how can you add template into a specific category with your tabs? So for example, what if you want to have your savings here and you need a grid template to calculate more? And this is what I will show you now. So the best way to add a template is to use the customies which you also get with your purchase. So by clicking on the folder customy, you have templates here. And then you can see the different templates. You have lined, grid, and dotted templates with different versions. So and the best way to add a template inside your planner is with this kind of tab bar is to click on the plus and duplicate your current template after the page or before. That depends on your own wishes. So I click on current template now, and now you can see that it's doubled, but I still have the hyperlink bar here. So and now I want to have a grid one, so I think a grid small with a header, and I just drag and drop, and now I can resize it and add it to my planner. Yeah, and that was all. So the best way is to open the split screen. So you just, with an iPad, you can open the split screen, open your folder with your templates on. Then you have to take a look about which one you want to have, then drag and drop into your planner. And then just resize it to the page, and now you can start writing on it. And yeah, so the second way is to use it with the Elements tool. I already made a tutorial about how to add stickers, customies, and so on in your Element one, Element tool from GoodNotes. So this is a specific tool only for GoodNotes. So yeah, but you can see I already added the single templates here, but you also see that they are very small, so now I have to guess which one is the right one. So I'm just using it and drag and drop, and then I can resize it. So I open the image tool here to resize it in the right way, because sometimes it's not straight. So and now I can resize it again, and I have it on this side. The good thing about using the Elements tool is that in general the quality is way better than with drag and drop. I can't explain why. I just figured it out that it's better to use the Elements tool to add custom templates and so on your planner. So I will just drag and drop it again. So I need to resize it a little bit because it's that's closer. I'm gonna resize it to have it all over my content. And now this is the Element way, and it's a little bit better than by drag and drop. So especially when you zoom in, you can see that it's better. So I recommend you, if you are using GoodNotes for digital planning, use the Elements tool, add all the templates to your element collection. Here I have it, I call it the collection planner templates, and then you can add every single template which you want to use, and you just have to resize it all over the page to make sure that you have the same hyperlinks. And now you have, or you still have your hyperlinks to jump on your pages. So this is way better because I want to show you how it would look like when you use the templates here. So for example, I want to have a grid one. So I would click on the 3 dots and go to copy page. So then I would open my finances and savings, click on the plus and paste page. So now you still have the same template, but the problem is that your tab bar is not the same one. So, and that's why the best way is to use the templates here. Yeah, and that was everything about this. So you can also use the templates in different planners, or also in notebooks, for example, or in other pages. So for example, when I go to my month, and I want to reflect my Sunday, and maybe I don't want to have a reflection like this, but only a lined version, then I would open my collection, click on the picture tool here and resize it, and then I have a lined page instead of the reflection page. So the templates used with every single template on the planner and also in another planner. So for example, I'm going to open my business planner December Monday now, and I can see that I still have the template and I want to use it now in my business planner. So the size is not the same because the life planner is a little bit different, but I could do it like this. And now I have my template on another planner. So this is the same way, but in general you want to use it in your life planner. And yeah, so this is the way how you can use your template inside every single page and also in your single categories like the finance section. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, just ask me. I can't wait to hear from you, and we will see each other in another video. Bye!